Good morning, everybody. It's Paul from Prestige Binary Options. Today is Monday, the 30th of January, so we're back with a whole nother trading session using the Lexington Codes automated feature. And we're going to keep things simple, guys, and just let the software place trades for us. Last time we met last week, because I didn't do a whole lot of trading last week, especially with the presidential inauguration, the executive orders that were being signed. So there was a lot of activity, especially involved with the US dollar. However, because this is a new week, we're back to do some more trading. I've checked out the economic calendar in investment.com. There is quite a substantial amount of moderate news, but in terms of high volatility, there isn't that much. I mean, I think there's one for the US dollar later on this morning. So it seems relatively quiet. And in regards to the Asian markets, they are closed today because they are celebrating the new year. But before we get started, guys, just as a quickly reminder, below all of my videos, I leave plenty of information. So if you're interested in learning more about what Lexington Code is, what they have to offer for newcoming traders, as well as links to my previous videos and important discussions, so that way you can catch up on anything that you have missed. So let's get started, guys, and I'm sure that if you've been following my channel for quite some time, you'll be able to see how easy and simple it is to use the software. So I'm just going to adjust some of these settings here, and I'm going to select currencies, and then we're just going to click apply, and the software is going to place trades for us. So momentarily, we should be seeing some trades being registered over here. I've already initiated a couple of trades. As you can see, there are some here in my trade history. But what we're going to do is try to target about three or five more automated trades. So if you're just joining us for the first time, guys, once you adjust your settings, your dollar amount, the number of trades that you want, and your asset type, once you hit start, what I like about Lexington Code is that within a few moments, you will start seeing trades being registered. You don't have to wait so long. And as you can see, we have our first trade, which is the NZD USD for a put. So like I said, guys, it's relatively quick, and you don't have to wait too long for the software to start placing trades for you. There's our third trade, the Euro versus CHF for a put. There's our next trade, the GBP CHF for a call. Our fourth trade, the NZD versus USD for a call as well. Perfect. We have the 5 total number of trades that we have selected through our settings, and it seems from the expiration times we have a different variation of when these trades are going to expire. We have one trade that's going to expire in about 10 minutes at 13:30. Most of them are going to expire in about a half hour at 1400, and we also have the Euro CHF that's going to expire at 1600. So that's in a couple of hours. So that's fine. I like when we have different assortments of expiration times. So what we're going to do, guys, is just quickly pause this video, and we'll check back later on once all these trades have done, and we'll see how well they have concluded. Alright, guys, we're back. It's just after 14:30 GMT, which means most of those trades have closed, and by the looks of it, the account balance has also increased, which indicates that's a good sign, and that most of our trades were profitable. And let's not forget that we also have one pending long-term trade that won't expire till around 1600 GMT. But what we can do is go to our broker and look at the other trades that have closed and have a closer look. So, great results from Lexington Code. Remember that these were all trades that were done automatically by just using the automated feature by the Lexington Code app. Now, one thing I did notice when we were waiting for the trades to process is the fact that Lexington Code placed 2 entries regarding the NZD versus USD. The first trading position was a put, and then it placed another trading position for the NZD USD for a call as well. Now, I've seen this happen sometimes with Lexington Code in terms of identifying different trends within the market. And basically what happened was it predicted that there was going to be a drop in the price, which is why it placed that first put trade over here. However, what Lexington Code could have done is identified that there was a reversal in price action, which indicates that the price was most likely going to reverse and go back up. So that's why it placed another position with the same asset, but in the opposite direction. And basically what this does, it just helps you minimize those losses by counteracting the losing trade. So that was a great save right there, and it minimized our loss potential. So from these trading results, we made a nice profit of about $132.50, which isn't bad. And again, let's not forget that we also have one open trade in regards to the Euro CHF. Now, this is the long-term trade that won't expire for another hour and a half at 1600 GMT. So we still have plenty of time. We had an entry rate at 664, and it is currently at 571 for a put position. So we are deep in the money right now, and this looks like it's going to be another winning trade. So in addition to the profits that we have so far, once this trade's closed in a winning position, that could boost our profits to a total of around $167 to $170. So a great turnout using the Lexington Code app. And as you can see, guys, it's very simple and easy to use. So if you're new to binary options and you don't know how to trade on your own and you're looking for software, the Lexington Code app is a great program to go with. So if you are interested, check out all the information below. Click that link and get your own free copy today. And of course, guys, if you have any questions, feel free to email me anytime at prestigebinary@gmail.com. This is my best way to get in contact, and I check my email on the regular. And be sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel, guys, because I'm constantly posting new updates regarding programs that I use. I'm going to do another manual trading session using Lexington Code as well, either hopefully tomorrow or by Wednesday the latest, so you don't want to miss that out. And I will also leave links to my previous videos and discussions below in the video description as well, so that way you can catch up on anything that you might have missed. And also keep in mind that when it comes to our channel, when you subscribe to my channel, you also get updates on scams that you should avoid, so that's also very important. So thank you for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed my live trading session using Lexington Code, and I'll see you next time.